Okay, Brandon, are you there?
Yep, Ryan, I can hear you.
Okay. Good morning, everybody, or almost good afternoon. Thank you for being here today. We've got a pretty interesting, I think, training for you. So if you have your Client Creator open and you've logged in, if you haven't, I'll give you a minute to do that. Log into Client Creator. We're going to show you something really nifty today. Okay, go ahead and log in. And Brandon, are you on screen share yet?
I'm sharing that now.
Okay. It's just so much easier when I'm just following you. Okay, can you go back one page? Go back to after they first log in. There we go. Okay, you're going to get this screen, you guys, and we're going to go over to the website manager. Click on select, and we're going to teach you how to create your own website for anything you want. Today, I'm going to help you create a website so that people can download your pre-listing package. Okay, it's pretty cool. Not only when you do some posts, sending people to get this free booklet on how to sell their home for top dollar, or we'll rename it in just a minute, but it captures all of their information as well. So it will scroll down to a template. I'm sorry, we want to go up to the blue box, click on options, and then it'll say create new website. You click on create a new website, and these are your templates. Okay, we have lots and lots to choose from. So I think, are we going to use the
we'll use
create
the
your
design your own.
Okay, let's go to design your own template. So if you're following along and doing this, it will come up. And the first thing it wants you to do is name your website. So let's call it Seller Pre-Listing. Click on Create Website. And there's the base of what we need. Now, in the header text, Brandon.
So we're going to click on the text option right here.
Thank you very much. I'm missing all sorts of stuff.
Sure. So you click on the text, and then we'll go into the header text section.
Okay.
And here's what we'll type in.
All right. Attention homeowners, colons. And we want that as big as we can get it and still keep it on there.
I'll highlight it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'll make it a 36 point.
Okay, let's see what that looks like, and then save it. So he just typed in the text that he wanted, and there it says attention homeowners. Okay, now we'll go to the body of the text, which we click on body text, and we're going to want this is sort of big too. Okay. The secret to selling your home for top dollar in any market.
You probably want that in all caps too, don't you?
Yes.
All the secret to selling your home for top dollar.
Yeah, in any market. And you guys can do a better headline than that, but this is just off the cuff.
So I'll do 24 point and make it a little smaller. I'll change the color. I'm just going to change the color. I'll do like an orange, I guess, or something similar.
That's fine.
Yeah, right.
Then save it. Yeah. Did you see how he did all that, you guys? Okay, it's redrawing the screen. And there it goes. That doesn't show up too well. So let's go back and change the color. You probably didn't expect me to get nitpicky, did you?
That's all right. What color do you want to use?
Oh, I don't know. How about, would red show up?
You can try red.
Oh, and can you bold it?
Oh,
you already did it.
Let me see if red works. Yeah, red.
Oh, you can't see it very well. Okay, go to white.
When do white?
When in doubt, go to white. This gives you guys a chance to see how it's done. And I'm just kind of a perfectionist, so You don't have to go back and forth so many times. Okay, it's gonna redraw our screen here. Is it redrawing on its own?
I see it, you don't see it?
Yeah, no, it's there. Okay, so now we want to make this a download. So down in the yellow part where it says, yes, I want this list, we're going to change that text to say, click here for a free booklet.
Okay, so that's in the forms section. So we're going to go to forms, and that's going to be the submit button text.
Yep.
So we're going to change that. And you want that to say, what you want that to say?
Click here for your free, and I usually put, 46-page booklet. I don't know if that's too much text for there.
That, it might be for, I'm sorry, click here for your
free booklet. Is that pushing
too many text. Yep.
Okay, so
you want to do download now?
Download, yeah.
Okay, download now.
Yep. Okay, so there we have a download. Now, in the field section, we have their name, email address, and cell phone. And for this particular offer, that's what I want from them before they can download. So know that they have to fill in that information before they can click on download, and it will work. All right. So now we're going to need to upload the item that we want them to download, correct? You're going to upload your pre-listing package. Okay.
So you go here to options. We covered this in the website, so you might be familiar with this, but in options, and then the instant file download is what you want to do. So this will be the instant file that they'll download after they engage on your lead capture page. So we'll click on that. It's going to come over to choose file, and you have the file here. And this is the file we're using for the for this presentation. And then you hit save. So it'll be up here, uploaded in a second. This must be a large file.
Ken, you got your camera fixed, huh?
Sorry. All right.
It always
There.
says that.
Okay, the file's attached to the download now.
Okay, so he navigated to the file that he wanted. In your case, you would navigate to where your pre-listing package is and upload that so that now it's a downloadable link. So now you can send anyone to this lead capture website, which remember, that's your job, to send people to these lead capture websites. Of course, we do it for you for the first 120 days, but you can do it as well. So in your Facebook post, you would almost say the same thing, attention homeowners. Find out the real secret to selling your home in any market for top dollar, because your pre-listing package will deliver on anything that you could offer. It's a full package, has everything they need to know to either sell their home themselves, hire the right real estate agent for the job, or they may decide just to keep their home. But in any event, they have everything they need in order to know what to do. So your pre-listing package, you can't make an offer for something that your pre-listing package won't deliver on. That's my point. Okay, so this needs to be a simple post. They click on it and it comes here. So can we demo it? Are we done,
Yeah,
Brandon? Did I forget anything?
If you want to go through it as a client would, just click on the preview site. It'll load up the information. You'll put your client create for test. Oh.
How easy was that, you guys? I mean, seriously, how easy was that to create? Just doesn't get much easier. That's why I say there's so many things in Client Creator.
Forgot I got to put my number in there.
Yeah, phone number.
Get my code.
What is the code?
The verification code that verifies that it's a good contact information. So, oh, you know, we didn't change the thank you text, so I'm glad we previewed this. So I'll show you how to do that, but you'll see that it automatically downloads the
let's
presentation.
back up to the code thing. What was that? Tell them about what that code was that came up and how do the people get that code?
Yeah, two-step verification code. We went over this in the system, but two-step
I know.
verification verifies either an email address or a phone number. So similar to, I'm sure everybody's logged into a site and they had to get a verification code. This allows you to make sure that people are not just entering in false information to just get a free download. We want to verify the lead and verify the contact information. So that's
Now,
one of the.
will they have to verify that before they can do a download, or will it do it instantly? I'm
The
just
client?
posing.
The
Yes.
client, yeah, the client will get the text message just like I entered my information in. I got a text message immediately with the code to enter in.
Okay. So I hope everybody understands that. When they filled out that information, they got a text message instantly that gave them the code they need to fill in. Okay. So it just take a couple seconds for it to get there. Brandon's was very quick. That's why I was wondering what the heck happened. Okay. So I hope that all makes sense to you. Let's go back and try it
I do
again.
want to change that thank you text. We didn't change that. And
Yes,
it comes up with
thank
default
you.
text. So so we'll change. What do you want to change this to? Right before they get the download.
Thank you for downloading your free home seller booklet. Now you could put your phone number in there if you wanted to. You could put anything you want. This is just a thank you note. We just pre-make them for you, but you can, oh, this one's not pre-made for you. You can say anything you want there. Hey, thank you, have a nice day. If you need me, I'm at, XXX or 888-233-2313.
So
Okay,
I'm gonna go preview that one more time just so that you can see that the thank you text changed. Client creator, test that client creator. So on that robot, download now, and you'll see get my code. Verifies my information. There was an option too there for Facebook verification too. I know we talked about that too, but if you want to verify with Facebook, but as you can see, it changes the thank you text right before the download begins automatically and goes to the download.
okay, so where are we right now?
This is the download that we attach to the.
Okay, exactly. So what happens is whatever you uploaded for them to download opens up automatically because it's a PDF form. And this is a plan listing presentation. We uploaded the wrong document, but that's okay. So go ahead and scroll down through it. They can print this out, they can save it, they can do anything they want with it. But I would suggest you do one of these pages for your pre-listing package. It'll be a very handy way for you to get it in the hands of people who just simply download it. Okay. Now, today's going to be kind of a short call, but Brandon has one more thing he wants to go over with you. And then you're free. We're done for the day.
So I do want to go over. Yep, I do want to go over one thing. Facebook has made a change, unfortunately, to their system, and they are changing the way that the Facebook manages your pages. So I just want you to see that we need to make a change, or have you check the settings on your Facebook business page. So you'll just go to your Facebook business page, and I'm going to do it here and go to ours. If you go under settings and then page roles.
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to see the page roles here. Yep. You're going to see this here says Brandon Christie is a moderator. It needs to be changed to an admin. So we got to change, you got to click on it, change it to, I'm sorry, not an admin, an editor. So you click on editor and then hit save. So again, if you see this, if you see it says Brandon Christie and it says moderator underneath of it, you just need to change it to and hit edit and then change it to editor and then hit save. It might prompt you for your Facebook password, but that, just enter that information in. But I don't know why Facebook made a change. Something must have happened where they were downgrading some of the administrators on the page. So if you just have to check it, if it says admin or if it says editor underneath of it already, you don't need to do anything. It's only when it says moderator that you just need to change it back to editor. Again, I don't know why Facebook did what they did, but it did. So we just got to make sure that that's changed so that we can still continue posting and marketing your Facebook business pages.
Just be very careful when you're going through Facebook and making any changes. I did the other night, they had some new thing for me. I get a lot of inside information from them and offers that most people don't see. So I clicked on this one about some new presentation they had, and I lost my website or one of my Facebook pages. I've got 9 of them and I couldn't find it. 2 days I couldn't find it. Brandon and I both were trying to figure it out. You know how I finally got back to the page that is my normal first page, Brandon? I logged out and then logged in. And it found my information. Boy, I was sweating it. So just be careful what you do in Facebook, because sometimes they get something, do something new, change it, and they really didn't do a great job in making sure that all of their I's were dotted and T's were crossed. So that didn't create some other challenge for them. Okay. All right, you guys, that's it for this time. Little shorter, sweeter, to the point. How to create your own website. You can create as many unlimited lead capture websites as you choose for anything you could think of. Kind of cool. And I've got like close to 100 of these lead capture pages now. So sky's the limit. You can never outgrow it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.